Hi, this is Justin. I want to give you a quick little demo of some features of RubyMine that I really like. Really want to thank JetBrains for supporting React on Rails for many, many years. Really love RubyMine. First thing I want to show you is that over here I can actually see changes I made over here. And what I'm doing is I need to get some changes from TypeScript actually set over on a previous commit because I'm making a new little tutorial for React on Rails. So I'm going to show you a couple things I'm going to do. First of all is I'm going to take this default change list here and I am going to shelve the changes and I'll reuse them in a little bit. I could alternatively just make the commit and then reorder the commits. However, I want to show this handy feature here, which is the shelve changes. So this is convert files to TS, just some very simple message. So I'll shelve those changes right now. So great. So now they're out of the way. So once I've got no changes pending, and also I'm only looking at the master branch, then what I could do is I could go take a look at this commit that I'm over here. And what I could do is I could interactively rebase. Why is RubyMine not letting me do this? Interactive rebase. I'm not sure. Hi, this is Justin. I just got back and I just figured out why I was having trouble with this interactive rebase. Right now I'm in presentation mode, so you can't quite see the message, but if I turn off presentation mode here, and then I right click here and go interactively rebase, and if you take a look in the lower left corner of the screen, when you hover over the interactive rebase, you can see this commit is already pushed protected branch origin master. So RubyMine's really nice. It doesn't let you interactively rebase on the master branch unless you're going to do what I'm about to do. And this is just a demo tutorial. So I do want to rebase it so that every commit represents a step in my tutorial. So check this out. So I go over to preferences, and I could have searched for this by Rebase. And Rebase actually shows me protected branches right here. So I'll delete protected branches, hit apply, hit OK. Now let me go back into presentation mode to make it easy for you to see what's going on. I go over here and here's my log of commits. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to integrate some more changes into this commit. Convert hello world to TSX. So I really like how in RubyMine you have a really nice view down below to see the differences. So let's explore this feature of interactively rebase. So I'm going to interactively rebase from here. I could actually even use one of these other commands, which is actually doing an interactive rebase. I think the fixup command might do the same thing, and I might try that in a second. Let's take a look at interactive rebase. So interactive rebase, this is the first one that's going to get played back, convert hello world to TSX. I'm going to hit the pause button there, and that means when I start rebasing, I'm going to be able to fix this one up. So I'm going to start rebasing. And now I get this message at the bottom. I can continue or abort, and I'm going to be able to edit this. So let me close out of command 9 right there. And let's go over to my shelf. And here's my convert files. I'm going to unshelve these. And those are the files I wanted to change in this commit. And I'm going to remove successfully applied files from the shelf if I don't want to see them anymore. That should be okay. I'm going to unshelve those changes. Now I go back to my local changes. And so I've got these two files right here that are changed. And so now what am I going to do is I'm going to commit and I'm going to amend the commit. So this is going to amend the previous commit as opposed to adding a new commit. I'll click amend, and now my commit's amended, and I will continue. And you must edit all merge conflicts. So let's do that. Hello World TSX is not added. So GA, so git add dot, and then now I can do a rebase continue. So that definitely was not intuitive. Continue rebase failed. Let's take a look at why. Let's get out of presentation mode, and maybe you have uncommitted changes in your tree. Please git commit rebase again. Okay. What we need to do is I need to put all that stuff in there. And let me do an amend commit. Okay. Now if I take a look at the git status, nothing is in there. I can continue here, or I could continue at the terminal. Okay, so now it's been successful. Let me go back and let's take a look at these changes. So if I go back down to right here, convert hello world. This is the really key part right here, is that I am importing this function component right here. And because that lets me declare this as a function component, so then when I rename this file from JS to TS, we don't get a TypeScript error. So that's it. So that was my little demo of interactive Rebase. Hope you enjoyed it.